Hi there, I'm Shannon from the Sourdough Schoolhouse, and I'm so glad that you decided to come and check out our online sourdough series. So what our online sourdough series is a 4-week boot camp introduction to sourdough where you will learn the ins and the outs of sourdough over a 4-week period. However, you do not have to do this over 4 weeks with us. This course never expires. You will have the material forever, and you can work at your own pace whenever you would like to. We are just here to help you succeed in sourdough. Take away some of the fears and the misconceptions about how it's done. Really, our recipes are developed to give you ultimate sourdough success from the beginning. And you don't have to take our word for it. We have some testimonials from our students below, and we'd love for you to hear what they have to say about this particular class. So like I said, we have structured it over 4 weeks, but you do have access to do it whenever you want. You could bake every Saturday or bake every month and just pick a component that you want to go with. I do personally believe, I'm a structured person, I like rules, and so I like to go in a sequential order because one does build on the next. But for how it goes, here's how it looks. Week 1 goes through breads. We give you 2 recipes. We give you several different methods that teach you how to bake during the day or during the night. And then at the end of the week, we wrap that up with a challenge, which will just teach you how to utilize your dough for more different options, which is always great. Week number 2, we go through buns. We do a milk bun and we do a vegan bun. All of our recipes can be made vegan, and we explain to you how to do that. You get varying results, and some are better that way than others, but it absolutely can be done. So the buns, again, we go through 2 different methods, and baking during the day, baking during the night, and again, another challenge. Week number 3 is our pizza and focaccia week, and we show you again a couple of different recipes and a challenge. The pizza recipe I have been working on for 6 years. My poor children have not been able to eat pizza without a quiz on a scale from 1 to 10. How is this crust, texture, chewability, extensibility, all of that. So it has been developed for you, keeping you in mind, wanting you to give you that ultimate crust that is just so good. Week number 4 is so much fun. I can hardly contain myself. Bagels and pretzels. I, believe it or not, am not even the most of a bread person. I don't eat a ton of bread. I never have. It's never been my number one thing to pick for a snack. But the bagels and the pretzels, I literally cannot leave them alone. They're so good and they're so much fun to make. Become a staple in your home. It's really, really a great one. And again, we go through 2 different recipes, your different methods, and a challenge. So what are these challenges I keep talking about? So as we go through these videos, everything is pre-recorded for you with me guiding you along and teaching you how to do this and have success in your home. But in order to keep you really engaged, we have also developed a weekly question and answer. In that question and answer, you feel free to send us your questions the week before or a couple of days before, and we'll incorporate them into the learning so that you really feel like you're getting a lot of knowledge and understanding of the whole process. We really want it to become very, very clear for you. You'll hear me use the analogy that I want sourdough baking to become as familiar to you as making cookies. When we're making cookies, it's just a certain method. You know, you cream the butter and the sugar together, you add your eggs, and you get into your dry ingredients, and so on and so forth. With sourdough baking, it's just a new thing. It's not that it's such a daunting task. It just needs to be broken down into sequential stages so you can understand it. When you understand it, you get better at it, and then you can also learn how to manipulate it to do whatever you want it to do, and really, really understand how dough and yeast, wild yeast, will work. So in those in those live Q&As, we have frequently asked questions, and we also take into account the challenges you have done for the week and offer prizes and rewards for doing your homework. So we really do encourage you to do that. In addition to those things are videos, the recipes, various printables and challenges, we also have a private Facebook group where we can encourage one another, keep showing some pictures, asking questions and whatnot. So we really do keep it interactive and informative to keep you engaged and again, have ultimate sourdough success. All of our recipes are developed exclusively for you, our students. We do not give away our recipes anywhere, and they really are designed to be exclusively successful for you. I had a student once say to me, Shannon, I was like, checking out the internet on the weekend, which you are absolutely allowed to do. but she said that I did not have as much success with the recipe I found as with yours. We test, and retest our recipes all the time because we are here for the home baker. We follow authentic traditional methods, but we are home bakers, so we try to give you tips on how to keep your kitchen clean, how to fit it into your life, what do you do when you have to run out for an appointment, all things like that. We really want sourdough to fit into your life, your way, and we've developed all of our recipes and methods and techniques to do just that. So we hope this gives you a little more information about what our class will look like. Take a peek in our comments below for times and schedules and the next classes that are available. We're so happy that you followed us this far, and we'd love, love, love to get you into a class very soon. Have a wonderful day.